I'm Andrew Phillips and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on the ADT glass breaking sensor. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what we're talking about here. You can see right here, we're getting a message. It says low battery living room GB, which is glass break. If we come here to zone, come down, we can see right here, it says right there, and it has the little exclamation there, and you can see the battery is low. That's letting you know that the battery is weak and needs to be replaced. You'll also be getting, it'll start to keep beeping, and this is flashing, letting you know that there's an issue right here. And that beeping can be annoying because that's the whole point. It's letting you know that there's an issue. So if you're getting that beeping noise, and on the top of that, you're getting the low battery living room glass break, that means the battery has to be replaced. Let's head over to the actual sensor. I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll go over what battery is needed, and then we'll go ahead and wrap this up. That's our glass breaking sensor. A little puck there on the wall, and you just rotate it counterclockwise, it'll come right off. Now, it's important that you bypass and disarm it before you do that, because if you don't, you're going to have an issue where the alarm's going to go off as soon as you take it off the wall, as shown here.
Living room, glass break.
And we can see here, it's basically saying right there that the glass was broken or tampered with. So what we need to do is then you would put your code in, and then that'll disarm it and take it off. So let's head over there now. I'm going to show you the battery that you'll need, and then I'll show you how you can bypass and disarm it. That way we can remove it, swap it out, get everything corrected. Let's head over there. Here's the battery that it takes. It's the 123 number lithium battery. You can pick these up anywhere. Walmart, different places that sell batteries. I'll also have some links down in the description if you want to order it. But this is the battery that it takes. So that's what we're going to be swapping out. So let's head over here. And if we come here to the console, in order to bypass it, what you're going to do is you're going to go to zones, and you're going to scroll through and find right here, and in our case here, that's what it is. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to hit bypass. And then you'll put your code in. Now that the code has been put in, we selected bypass. If you come down here, you'll see it now has a little minus sign, meaning that it's now been bypassed. So now we can take it off the wall. You're not going to have the alarm going off, all that stuff, and we can swap out the battery. We'll come in here, turn it counterclockwise, remove it. And as you see, no alarm went off like it did earlier before we bypassed it. This is the back of it. Battery is easily accessible. Just pop it out. Here we go. We'll get our new one out. And you can see there, you have the plus on the left, the minus on the right. Match it up with the battery. We'll slide it right in. Put it in place. New battery's in. We can reinstall this. And here on the back, it tells you replacement battery. It's either going to be the CR123A or the 123, because they give you the Duracell, Panasonic, things like that. But it shows you that you can either use the 123 or the 123A. In this case here, I'm just using the 123, and that will work as well if you can't find the A. But let's put this on the wall. Now, when you go to install it, you want the battery facing towards the bottom. We'll put it here. It'll lock on, and then you want to turn it clockwise. And now it's locked on there, because remember, we had it counterclockwise when we took it off. Coming back here to our console, we're still in bypass mode, but you can see now the battery is showing full, where before it was red. So we can click this, and we're going to clear the bypass. You would then put your code in, and now it shows ready to arm. We don't have the error message on the screen anymore. Everything looks good, and if we check zones again, come down, everything is good. All the batteries are in good shape. And that's it. And you see right there, that stopped flashing as well because there's not an issue anymore. So you want both solid greens, and you want it always to be showing ready to arm and not flashing any error messages on there. And that's it, as simple as that. So if you have your glass break sensor beeping like this one was, you're getting the message showing low battery and all that stuff. Quick and easy. Battery type is the CR123, or depending on what model you're getting, if it's a Duracell, it might be the DL123. But either way, either the 123 or 123A is what it takes. Just to give a quick recap, we came here, we bypassed it, removed the puck from the wall, swapped out the battery, came back here, cleared the bypass, everything was good. You want to make sure both these lights are solid and none of them is blinking, and that takes care of it. You're good to go again. Your sensor's fine. Your console has everything up to speed. So I hope that this video was informative for you and helped you out as far as changing the battery on the glass breaking sensor on the ADT. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. And as always, I appreciate all the support. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out some of my other videos down in the description. I have some other ones pertaining to ADT with the doorbell camera and things like that. And I'll see you next time.